Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I going to review a pink glow pineapple from Costa Rica. This is a pink glow pineapple, and I know they're being popular about a couple years ago, but I never have the chance to try because one is the price very expensive when it first came out and hard for order or find them in the store. But yesterday I go to the grocery store and then I see them, so the price is okay, $15. Okay, I can afford it. So now a good chance for me to try, because before when I see on other people review or try them, yes, they say it tastes like a normal pineapple, but it's really sweet. So I think okay, I know a lot of people have been tried this already, but I'm just gonna show you for the box. Just coming in the box, it's very nice like this, and then I have a chance to pick them at the store. Some of them will look really old because I think they probably can't sell because the price $15 pineapple. People, not everybody want to buy them. Okay, so and then I know a lot of people already know this is a GMO, so and so they cut off the top and then the side. I see some people they kind of like very big, but this one is I think it's a normal size. It's kind of small, not very big. Alright, so and then I have the pineapple video that I been show you how to cut the pineapple from before. So I think today I just gonna do a quick cut. I'm not gonna. I just want to leave. Let me saying about. Okay, let's just cut it. I just want to see how inside it looks. Cut off the top. It looks pink. Yeah, you might see.
Yummy pink.
It's pink. See, it's very pink. All right, and then I just gonna do a normal cut. My favorite way. I usually cut the pineapple. So I think I picked the good one. No, but I think they're all pink.
I like it right there.
Yeah, you like it how it look?
Yeah.
I know, mommy like it how it look too. Okay, and this is my favorite way to cut the pineapple. We're cutting. Okay, so first when I cutting out skin like a normal way, as you can see, it's just look like a normal pineapple. It's just a color pink. Look the same, everything. I gonna remove all this pineapple eye. That's how I usually cut the pineapple. My favorite way to cut it. Okay, and now I done cut my pineapple, remove all the eye, and this is my favorite way how to cut the pineapple. I have a lot of different ways how to cut the pineapple. If you want to know, I will put the episode under the clip video. I put what episode that I did that before. And now time for me to try that. Cut it inside. Okay, I see some people just eat it with the middle part, but look like gonna be hard. Okay, look at very juicy, and I know I love the color, but super sweet. Sorry, it's a bit super sweet, like a candy. Super sweet. I know sometimes when you buy the pineapple, the yellow one, sometimes you might find a sour one, but this one is very juicy and very sweet. Anyway, for the price, but taste like anything else, taste like a normal the yellow pineapple. But it's very sweet and very juicy and sweet. So for the price, I think I will go back to the natural one, the yellow pineapple. I will go back to the one. This one just my one-time experience. Just my experience. Or if I want to have the party or I want to do fancy with the pink and yellow, yeah, I might do it. But go back to the yellow. The natural one, that's the best. Okay, so I think this is that's it for this video. Just want to share with you, and then if anybody else already tried it before, what do you think about the pink pineapple? Just you can comment and talk. You can comment below and talk about this below, so we can share the good experience. Okay, and if you want to know how to cut a pineapple in different way, I have the video. I gonna make sure that I put for you below. And yes, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe, next video. Thank you. Bye bye.